Roc has designed an efficient and cost-effective O-Pile installation system around the Roto Loc underreamer. Steel O-Piles are usually spiral welded casings featuring a welded-on connector or ball and socket for a cost-effective continuous interlock wall system. Other systems use expensive sacrificial ring bits with carbide teeth that cost much more to produce, and that's like leaving money in the hole. What makes Roc's O-Pile centralizing drive ring superior is the ease of installation and the simple, sacrificial, inexpensive centralizing drive ring that gets left behind. This ring is welded to the O-Pile casing. Roto Loc's pilot nose leads the wings and guides the tool through difficult formations, such as boulders and sloping rock. The oversized wings clear the path for the female and male interlock connectors on the pile. The centralizing drive ring is designed to hold Roto Loc in place to ensure the wings do not make contact with the male interlock connectors as it pulls the pipe pile along through the formations. At the desired depth, the wings are then retracted and the Roto Loc is removed from the O-Pile. As you embark on your next drilling project, choose the Roto Loc underreamer O-Pile for a reliable, efficient, and cost-effective system. With Roc, you're not just selecting a product, you're partnering with a team that stands by your side, committed to your project's success from start to finish. Roc, we make rock disappear.